One of the ways that businesses usually overlook to grow their business online is using Google My Business Profile. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Google My Business Profile to increase your exposure in the online marketing space. Alright, so let's assume you already have your Google My Business Profile. So I'm going to go here and search for Google My Business Profile. Okay, then we're going to log in here. Okay, so what you have here is your Google Business Profile Manager. So what you want to do next is click on your business profile. So it will bring you here. Okay, so once you're already on your business profile, what you want to do is to click on your edit profile here. Then you have your business name. Make sure that your business name is the same as your social media platforms. This is for SEO building. The next is to go to your business category. So for me, I mainly do website design or web design, but I also have sub-services such as branding, marketing, advertising, and also internet marketing service. It's actually within the same, but actually Google restricts this, so you can only type what they offer here. Yeah, if let's say you are a unique niche business, let's say you're only marketing for real estate, they don't really give you the option to save it. So you have to remove this. And then so let's say you already added all your categories that you're serving in the list that they provide. You just save it. Okay, and then next you will go to your description. So in your description, what you want to target is keywords that link back to whatever you're offering. So let's say you're targeting certain keywords. Like for me, I want to target website design. So I make sure I have website design here and SEO here also. And also make sure that if it's possible, link it back to your website. So if I already search my website here, so you see I have my About Us page also linking to my description. So this makes more sense whenever Google is trying to rank you for your SEO. Alright, so once done, you want to save on your description also. Then next, just fill up these details. It's actually, it doesn't really matter, but it's best to just be as accurate as possible with wherever you are also updating. So for example, if you put in your social media that you open on this date, you should also put it here also. Then your contact number, usually your office number, and then your websites. And then this social profiles is quite new. It actually came out a few months ago, but you can also update here for all of your social media addresses. Okay, and then you have your location. And then after this, you want to target service areas that you target. So for example, in Singapore it's quite small, so I just put Singapore. But if let's say you're overseas in different countries, you can just target your state. Yeah, and it's quite useful also. Yeah, and then these are your office hours. And then these are all actually really optional information that you can add in. I think it's really not much difference if you do edit any of this. It's more of just an option so that whenever your visitors view your business profile, they know a bit about your business, or maybe they see this kind of service options that might benefit them. Alright, so once you're done with this business information tab, you want to close it, and then we're going to move over to the reviews tab. Okay, so in this tab, it's actually quite important because you want to use your reviews from your clients to actually build your business profile or boost them. So this increases your credibility, and especially whenever you ask your clients to give a review, make sure that they have keywords implemented in the reviews. So for example, in my reviews that I ask my clients to do, make sure that I make sure that he says or states websites or have those keywords that actually build your SEO also. Alright, so once you're done with asking from your clients for their reviews with the keywords that will help your business, you want to close this. And I'm not going to go through the messages because it's just in general. If someone sees your profile, they will want to message you, and then they have a message button that they can just click on. Alright, next you have a add photo button here where you can click on, and you have 3 options where you can add photos or videos of your business for interior or the exterior of your business. And the next option, you have a logo where you can choose one logo to appear, like see how I have it here in my business profile. And the last option is to set a cover photo where this can be shown as like a header. When you have social media and you have a header profile photo, yeah, it's the same method there. So you have here where I added my own photos, and they will actually indicate here that these are the photos that people can contribute, or you yourself can add in as the owner of the business. Alright, so I want to go back to my profile here. Now you have the performance tab, which actually just indicates how well you're doing in a certain period of time, where you can set. And I'm not going to go in too much about this because we're just talking about setting up. This is more on, let's say you already have your business running for a few months, the numbers will show up here. But if you're just starting out in setting up this profile, you won't have much data or statistics shown here. If you click on Advertise, you'll be redirected to Google Ads, which is not what we're going to go through today. So I'm just going to close this and go back here. And then next we'll go to the Edit Products tab, which will showcase products that you have. So I'm actually doing website design. I can put products such as website design services, but it still works, but this one usually works for e-commerce brands, or if you're planning to sell online through your shop. Okay, so I'm gonna exit from this tab here, and then you have your Edit Services tab. Remember how in the first tab, which is your edit profile, you have the option to put in your main services. This is a tab where actually Google helps you put in more in-depth of what services or sub-services that you offer here. So mainly I do website design, right? But I can actually also put like logo design and online marketing or poster flyer designs also as part of my services that my business offer. So I'm going to exit from the Edit Services tab here and then go to the next one. So the next tab is a Bookings tab. Let's click on it. So if you see here, Bookings tab usually requires you to have your own website where you need a page additionally just for the booking. You can also actually add links such as using Calendly or those kind of softwares that help you set up an appointment for bookings. But in general, only usually clients or my clients who actually have like maybe restaurants or those industries that require booking, then I would recommend having this. But if let's say you're selling online, it doesn't really make sense for you to have this link on your Google Business profile. So if you're selling online, you can just ignore this for now. Yep. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close. Okay, the next tab is the Q&A tab. This is if you have clients who always ask repeated questions. Let's say you're getting tired of the same clients or different clients asking the same questions over and over again. So you can ask your clients to actually ask through this tab, and then you can answer publicly, and any one of your visitors who view your profile can see these answers in general, and it really helps also if you want to save time on answering these inquiries. So I'm going to cancel this, and then I'm going to close this tab. Okay, so the next tab is the Add Update tab. You want to press on this, and then you see you got 3 options to add update, add an offer, or add an event. If you want to add an update, usually if you are celebrating holidays like maybe Christmas and you just want to update the clients about maybe a change in office hours or maybe just wishing them, Google lets you do this. Then the next one is your add offer. So let's say it's a year-end sale and you have a year-end offer, definitely you should use this feature too. And the last one is adding an event. Usually this if you're opening a new store or you have a new branch, then definitely you want to add an event so that clients get notified about this. Do look through each of them. They have their own features, and actually allows you to also add photos along with the offer that, or along with the update that you're sharing with your clients. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this. Okay, so the final tab that we have here is the ask for review, which actually links back to read reviews, because this is just a link that you can just share to your clients through email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Generally, I would just copy this link and then share it on my WhatsApp, or if you're running an email campaign, you can just insert this link in your email campaign and share to all your clients. Yeah, so like I said, building your reviews is quite important. It actually helps in the keywords, especially when your clients are searching for certain keywords and you want to rank or appear for those keywords. Get them to put in these keywords in their reviews, and it really helps. I think it's one of the most important factors for building your Google business profile. So I want to close this now. Alright, so once we've done with adding all the settings and the changes for my Google My Business profile, what you want to do is you want to double check in your Google Maps here. So what you can do is go to Google Maps and then search for your company here. So like I did here, so mine pops up here, and then you can see all of these details that you've entered. They should be the same. So this is from owner, this is the update tab. So whenever I send updates, the people who see me on the Google Maps, they can see the updates here, and the pictures or the photos and videos will appear here. In general, your visitors or other people can actually add on photos here too, but if you want to add it in yourself, that's possible too. And then your reviews here. So it's good to really have a good high review, and then the reviews here, make sure that they actually put in the keywords that you want to rank for, and photos too. Then definitely the rest is all just guiding links for other competitors or other businesses that serve the same industry that you are in. Yeah. So this is how I set up my Google My Business profile for my clients and also for myself. You can always try many methods on making your business profile even more attractive, and Google always changes this algorithm. So always be consistent in how you update your profile. Always also work on getting better reviews and also better quality photos. At the same time, make sure that your business profile is always up to date, and then be sure to actually add in offers and events that helps your business grow. It's Yusuf from Master Digital Media, and if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Catch you guys soon. Thank you for watching.